Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A25 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we will have to find the section with the apps, so let's tap on it. Then we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset App Preferences. As you can see, your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others, notification restrictions for apps, default apps, and permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, because you will not lose any kind of data, so simply tap on Reset, and basically that's all. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.